Alcantara. Alcantara pass to Hagad. Saklaw from downtown, air ball. Ball possession ng Barangay Camarem. Jersey number 23, Ilomakas. Ilomakas dribbling the ball, 15 seconds. Auto shot na. Bounce pass. Israel by Alcantara. Hagad. Meron tayong foul by jersey number 23. Blocking foul. First personal foul and a first team foul by jersey number 23. Ilomakas. Rebound by Ilomakas. Abaya. Pass to Ilomakas. Kick out pass. Primo. Short. Rebound by Alcantara. Still by Ilomakas. Ilomakas pa rin. Naipit. Tinawagan ng traveling. Traveling violation yan. Wala nang napasahan si Ilomakas. Number 8, Clarice. Pinasa ulit sa ilalim. Barcelona, wala. Rebound by Abaya. Triple pass to Ilomakas. Sumatake. Garlitos, good point by Garlitos. 4-0. Jersey number 8, Clarice, setting a play. Pass to Saklaw. Is still again. Rebound by Barcelona. 8 on the shot clock. Saklaw, airball. 5 on the shot clock. Still by Ilomakas. Ilomakas, alley play to Garlitos. Turnover para sa Barangay Camarem. Oras, 5 minutes exactly. Hagad. Pass to Clarice. Sumatake sa gitna. Nakasundutan. Clarice pa rin. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by jersey number 5, Garlitos. Hitting the arm and a 2-shot. Substitution. Hagad out. First personal foul. Second team foul. First no. First no is no good. Last no by Clarice. Last no, no good again. Rebound by Alcantara. 10 on the shot clock. Alcantara to Domingo. 5 on the shot clock. Barcelona. Saklaw sa play. Rebound by Primo. Ilomakas to Primo. Pass to Ilomakas. Save ball. 16 on the shot clock. Abaya. Pull up number. Rebound by Garlitos. Still by Barcelona. Pass to Alcantara. Block. Rebound by Garlitos. Ilomakas. Pass to Ilomakas. Primo from downtown. In and out. Rebound by Domingo. Alcantara. Alley to Barcelona. Clarice. Good. 4-2. Official score 4-2. Ilomakas to Ilomakas. Back to Ilomakas. Pass to Garlitos. Garlitos na bitaw na bola. Abaya. No good. Garlitos. Supply. Nakatabi ka na bola. Rebound by Alcantara. Saklaw pa rin, binigay ng Barcelona. Domingo, Barcelona. No good. Rebound by Lumagas. Still by Clarice, block by Abaya. Domingo, good photo. Deadlock, all four. First deadlock. Still by Alcantara. Alcantara drive inside. Pass to Clarice. Clarice block. Same ball. Substitution. Ilumagas out. Barcelona out. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Alcantara from downtown, no good. Rebound by Abaya. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Ilumagas to Abaya. Abaya. Yes, good for two. Jersey number 17, Alcantara steal by Abaya. Abaya. Abaya ba rin? Tinawagan ng traveling violation. Substitution. Ilumagas out. 2 minutes exactly. Domingo, pass to Saklaw. Saklaw dribbling the ball from downtown. In and out, rebound by Alcantara. Domingo, pass to Pumanlag. Pull up cover, no good. Rebound by Abaya. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Bounce pass to Carlitos. Meron tayong foul. Napasabit yan. Foul by jersey number 17. Hitting the arm and a 2 shot. First personal foul. First team foul. First throw by Carlitos is good. Last throw. Last throw is good again. Complete throw by Carlitos. 1 minute 20 seconds. Domingo kick out pass. Clarice. 3 points by Clarice. 8-7. Primo na ibet pass to Abaya. Abaya still by Domingo. 1 minute exactly. Clarice umatake. Good counter by Clarice. Change favor. Lamang lang isang barangay Kalibungan. 50 seconds. Primo. Pass to Abaya. Abaya good counter. Change favor again. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Remaining time. 30 seconds. 50 on the shot clock. Meron tayong foul. Foul by jersey number 28, Sabon. Blocking foul. Thirteen on the shot clock. 25 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Alcantara, no good. Rebound by Abaya. 20 seconds. Shot clock is up. Primo. Pass to Carlitos. Good for 10 seconds. Five seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score 12-9 in favor of Barangay Canarem.